up now. Why I look like that? Let me do that again. Okay, now that is what I'm talking about. Ew, she is back and she is better, baby. What is up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, yes, y'all, I already know it's been a whole year. Yes, you guys, a whole year since I've been on YouTube. You ain't gotta tell me. I know it's been a long time, and I've seen your comments, I've seen your DMs. I know you guys have been wanting me back on here, and low-key, I've kind of been on YouTube. I've been posting my shorts and stuff, so I feel like that was like my little filler episodes until I came back with a full video or whatever. But I hope that, you know, that kept you guys patient, and you know what I'm saying, really helped until we got to this point of life. So yeah, you guys, last year was really eventful for me. I was just trying to figure out everything that I was trying to do, so I had to take a break from YouTube until I figured everything out. So as you know, as some of you all know, I started a Patreon, and oh my gosh, you guys, Patreon has been one of the biggest blessings like ever. Like, Patreon has really changed my life for the better. It is just helping me so much financially and just in every area of my life. It's just helping me to be able to spend more time on my art and enjoy it, and also be financially stable as well, and that is amazing, you guys. And I mean, YouTube was just not really giving it for me at the time, and I had to resort to something that was, you know, more sufficient, and Patreon definitely did that for me. It worked. I trusted in God, and I just took that leap of faith, because at first I was a little scared to go on Patreon, because I'm like, am I going to be able to do it? And God was just like, girl, you got this. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna do this, and I did it. So yeah, you guys, I've been on there making monthly tutorials. I make brushes now and stamps. I don't know if you guys have seen, but I make face stamps for studying your drawings, like different angles of the face and everything that you can use in Procreate. And I now have them available for every other art program as PNG files, so if you guys are interested, you can check that out. So yeah, I've been having a lot of fun on there, just drawing and updating everybody who is on there with behind the scenes and things that I'm working on for the future. So yeah, I did Patreon, and then I came out with my very first coloring book. Yes, you guys, I love how this turned out. It's super cute, and it's interactive, so it has QR codes and everything, and you can even write in it little notes and stuff. It's super cute, and I really love how this came out, and you know, got some more things coming in the works, so stay tuned for that. But if you guys are interested in getting my coloring book, it's available on Amazon. And yeah, you guys, I came out with my first coloring book, y'all. This has been something I've been wanting to do for the longest. I had a lot of people who wanted me to make a coloring book, so I'm really happy that I did it. So yeah, you guys, I love it. And if you guys have been following me on my Instagram, you also know that I came out with my own makeup line. So you guys, I was doing a lot. So I came out with my own makeup line called Raw Fortune, and I started out with my Island Babe, because this is like literally an iconic drawing for me. Like, when I drew her, you guys, I was so happy, because she was like the epitome of the style that I was going for, that anime / Disney style. Like, she was like the literal like perfect combination of that for me, and I just really love how this came out, and apparently a lot of other people did as well, because I see this picture like all over the web on people's profile pictures, icons, all that kind of stuff, and a lot of people DM me saying, I see this everywhere. And like, I get a lot of DMs and messages about people seeing my artwork on people's profile pictures too, and I think it's really funny too when I'm on like a random YouTube video and then I'll see my art as somebody's profile picture and they have no idea that I did it, which is really funny to me. But you know, I ain't mad, I'm flattered. I think it's, you know, nice that people want to use my art as their profile pictures. Yeah, and I will, you know, get my credit in due timing, you know what I'm saying? But you know, it's all good. And then the best part of the makeup line was my eyeshadow palette, you guys. let me tell you, I was so excited about this eyeshadow palette because of the shape. It's literally like not your regular smegular eyeshadow palette. It's literally in the shape of Island Babe, which I really, really love. And then I had 18 colors in it, so I really, really love how it came out. And I took my time swatching the colors, testing the colors. Like, I don't know if I have a picture that I could show you guys, but you guys, like, I was studying this. Like, I was really taking my time to really figure out what I wanted to do and how I needed to do it so that I could really put that love into it, because like I say, anything you do with love will come out great. And that's exactly what I was doing last year. I was just putting love into every little thing I was interested in doing. But right now, Raw Fortunism, just a little bit of a pause, because right now I realized that I want to focus on my art and making sure that I'm drawing like every day. That was a huge priority to me, and God really put that on my heart. But I'm so happy that, you know, I decided to do this because it's something that I always wanted to do. So it was a great way to show me like I'm capable of having my own makeup line, and it's capable of being successful. But you know, I'm happy I tried it, so then I could see that, you know, I can work on that more in the future when I'm ready to. But right now, it's all about my art. It's all about focusing on my drawing and just practicing and getting better. I'm really, really, really excited about that. And Patreon has helped a lot with that, because it's just giving me more time to focus on drawing and drawing and drawing more and more. And yeah, you guys, so that's basically what I was doing last year. The main like 3 top things that was keeping me busy, and Patreon, making those tutorials every month and all of that. But yeah, now that I've figured basically what I want to do, I'm back here on YouTube, and I'm gonna say I will be posting here once every 2 weeks, because that's something that's very doable for me, since, you know, I have Patreon tutorials to make, and I do have other content that I have to make for other things as well. So it's really doable for me to do once every 2 weeks. So that's something that I could really keep up with. So I hope I can keep my word on that. Okay, so don't get mad at me if you don't see a video, but I'm gonna try my best, y'all, because, you know, I know y'all miss me, and I love you guys. I really do. I appreciate all of you for sticking around and just waiting on me to come back here. Like, that's something that is just so admirable and just beautiful to me, that you guys really wanted me to come back. So I appreciate it, and I can't wait to share with you guys more of my drawings and stuff. I love to draw, and I want to share it with you guys. So I'm definitely going to do my best to try to be here once every 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that. And it might even be more, you know, it might get more frequent. So we'll see. You know what I'm saying, you know? Today I will be drawing in my sketchbook, and I will be taking you along with the process of that. So that's going to be real interesting. So yeah, you guys, I hope you all enjoy the video. So let's go ahead and get started, y'all, because, you know, I'm probably gonna have a lot more to talk about in there as well. Let's go. Alrighty, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, first, you know, I gotta do a little nail flex, because your girl just got her nails did. You know, super cute. So I wanted to show you guys these pencils I love to use. It's the blue non-photocopy pencils by Prismacolor. The other one is by, I think, Derwent or Generals or something, but they don't sell that one anymore, which I was a little sad about, but it's okay because Prismacolor came through. But I really like to use these to sketch because it's nice and light, and then you can just draw right over it with a mechanical pencil or whatever pencil that you choose to use. Then I use these eraser pencils by Faber-Castell, which are super convenient because you can get detailed areas and you can sharpen it whenever you need. And then my favorite is my mechanical pencil by Graph Gear. I think this is the Graph Gear by Pentel, Graph Gear 500, 0.5 point. Yeah, I hope I said that right. I think that was right. But yeah, you guys, I'm not even gonna lie, your girl was a little bit nervous to come back to YouTube, but can I just say, God is so good, you guys. God is so great. And you know, when I look back and see all of the videos that I've made before, you know, last year I was scrolling through my YouTube channel and just seeing your comments and just all of the positivity and the love, it just really just, oh my gosh, I actually, you know, went into tears because I was like, wow, you guys are so amazing. Y'all have always been there supporting me. I really miss you guys. And, you know, I had to remember like why I do this. It's because I love it. I do it to, you know, glorify God as well, you know, making use of the talents that he's given me, and also to encourage and inspire all of God's children, to inspire you guys, to inspire the world, encourage, and just share with you all just that love that, you know, I know that God wants me to spread. So yeah, before my video today, before I started filming, I just said a prayer and asked God to help me to get through my nerves and just to remember to be myself and just to have fun and enjoy the moment. And I did that, and I ended up doing a good job. I'm really happy with how it came out. So yeah, you guys, I think with this drawing is super interesting because I actually made a little bit of a mistake, which I'm actually happy to show you guys because I fixed it in a way that worked out. So, you know, getting back to traditional drawing, I forgot about the paper and that every time you erase, it doesn't go away all the way. Like that smudge, it's still there. So like I butchered her left eye. Oh my gosh. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to fix this by cutting out like a heart shape from a different piece of paper. And I'm just going to draw over that. So maybe this is a nice or cool little drawing hack that you guys can use if you ever make a mistake when you draw traditionally and you need to fix it. Cut out a piece of paper in a cute shape and just put it over the drawing. And the reason why, you know, I'm okay with doing this is because, you know, it's in a sketchbook, and, you know, I think sketchbooks are meant to be, you know, messy and fun and, you know, just different. So, you know, I think that's one thing I love about sketching, and especially traditionally, is that, you know, you can do whatever you want with your page. So yeah, I think this was a fun little sketch or drawing hack to try out. So yeah, let me know if this, you know, was helpful to you guys in any kind of way. But I'm really happy that, you know, it turned out this way, because at first I was like, I don't know, do I start over? But I'm like, you know, God was just like, no, you can fix it, just, you know, try this. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna do that. And, you know, it ended up working out. So yeah, just don't give up on your artwork. Just figure out a different way or a new perspective on how you can do it. So yeah, that's what I did. And yeah, I really ended up liking how it came out. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna just continue to draw, and if I have anything to say, I'll come back. Okay, so I'm back. So yeah, I think my drawing style has definitely developed over the year. I'm sure you guys could tell. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys notice a difference. But I'm really enjoying drawing clothing now. I remember when I used to struggle with it, but last year I practiced a lot. And so now I'm really confident drawing any reference picture I choose. And this reference picture that I chose was actually, at first I was like, oh my gosh, this is low-key a risk because I'm not sure how it's going to translate on paper. And, you know, Holy Spirit was just telling me, just do it, just go for it. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just trust in God. I got this. I'm gonna just do it. So I ended up doing it, and it actually turned out really cute. So yeah, don't doubt yourself. Just keep going, keep trying. If it doesn't look right, you know, do it again. But yeah, I'm really happy with the results of this, and, you know, where my practice has brought me, I'm very happy with it. Now I feel like I'm really good with drawing any reference that I see, and that's why I really enjoy making tutorials on Patreon a lot more, especially because, you know, I know what I'm doing now and I'm excited to teach it to you guys. So yeah, if you guys are interested in learning and seeing my tutorials, definitely check out my Patreon at patreon.com/Rawsueshii, and I post monthly tutorials there that everybody gets to vote for each month. And yeah, so I'm really loving that. And oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun with like drawing like shoes and boots and stuff. Like, it is so much fun. But I'm definitely going to be posting the real-time video of this on my Patreon as well if you're interested. But yeah, so this is how the picture came out, you guys. Oh my gosh, I really love how it came out. It really gives me just cute street anime style vibes. I really love it. And I definitely think I want to color it digitally too. So maybe I'll do that for my Instagram. But yeah, oh yeah, speaking of Instagram, make sure to follow me on there. And yeah, I'll be posting there occasionally and with updates and all that stuff. So yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys in the outro. Why ain't nobody tell me I had a fuzz in my hair the whole time? Anyways, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Oh my gosh, y'all, I am just so happy I'm finally back. It's really nice to be back here. I missed you guys. Like, literally, I was scrolling through all of my old YouTube videos, looking at your comments and just seeing all of the love. You guys are so sweet, so positive. I love the positive energy. Let's keep it coming. Let's keep being positive and just sweet to each other, because that's what we need. We need more love. Love is great. God is love. Love is amazing. Love conquers all. Okay. So yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below what you think. Make sure to like and share this video, okay? And also make sure to follow me on TikTok, on my Crystal Ray TikTok and my Rawsueshii TikTok. I just made my Crystal Ray TikTok. If you guys didn't know, I literally had a video on there that just went viral overnight, which was crazy. It was the I ain't never been with a Betty. That was super fun. Maybe I'll put it up here, just a little snippet. So yeah, if you guys go check out my Crystal Ray, my personal TikTok, you know what I'm saying? I'll be on there occasionally. And then my art TikTok, okay? And then follow me on my Instagram at Rawsueshii and my Twitter, because sometimes I like to post my thoughts there and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, you guys, and also this is random, but I wanted to show you guys this really big water bottle my sister got me. I love it. Like, honestly, I have never had so much fun drinking water, like, ever. Like, and it's like a big baby. Like, I can just, it's so big. But I love it. I just wanted to show you guys. And if you need some help, you know, drinking water and, you know, keeping up with it, I'll put the link down for you guys to get one yourself. You know, starting out the new year right. You know what I'm saying? Keeping ourselves hydrated, drinking more water, and, yeah, being healthy. So, you know, we're trying, you know what I'm saying? We're doing our best out here. But yeah, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your patience. And I just thank you guys for being such amazing supporters. I love you guys so much. And I will see you all in my next video. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. Bye.